What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris with Holly Ridge Homestead, and today we're going to be doing a little quick follow-up video. So today we're going to do a follow-up on the fly trap, and I had 3 different types of bait that we were trying out that we didn't have to go purchase, just something that we had here available to us. And we used egg, we used chicken manure, and then we used horse manure. And so let's do a quick look and see what the results were. So here is the horse manure. All I'm catching is granddaddy longlegs. So the horse manure I thought would work because we always have flies out in the pasture with horse manure. Now I don't know for sure if it's location. I mean, it's close to the water trough, it's close to where we feed them right there. I don't know if we need to put it closer into the pasture. So anyways, the horse manure is a big fail. We're gonna come over here and check on the chickens. The one that's connected, where I've got it hung right beside the chickens. We're gonna see how that one did. Now on the chicken one, we obviously got a lot of flies that just fly around here on the chicken. And there's a ton of them in there where there's flies always around here. But here, here's the one for the chicken. Now I actually have a horse fly in there, which is good. I'm also trying to catch biting flies. I have a moth trying to get in there. This one here was just chicken manure. And there's still plenty of bait in there. I can hear plenty of flies walking around, flying around there, but chicken manure didn't work either. Got one more bait. It's going to be just the egg with a little bit of water. Alright, so we have a success. Oh, and it stinks. So the whole goal was to find a bait that was free, and using the cracked egg with a little bit of water mixed in there is working. And this is just on the outside of the pasture. The animals, they like to hang out right here in this area, but obviously they do a lot more grazing out there. So I guess what we're going to do is we're going to empty these other ones out. We're going to add an egg with water into them, and it'll get stinky. I think I'm going to put one out in the pasture somewhere where they're closer to the horses. Maybe over there into the actual feed trough itself, and see if we can get more. Obviously we're going to catch some, but the one that on the chicken tractor, we're probably going to end up losing a lot of the egg because we move it twice a day. So Hannah just got done exercising her horse, and she's something else. What is it?
Oh no, it's like a horsefly did bite her or something. And then there's like hair missing there. It just like goes under.
Yeah, okay.
Ow. Like her butt hair is up and it's hard and crusty. Can I help you?
Alright, got the egg in there. Get some water in there somehow. How about that, huh? Do a little stirring it up. That one's ready. Mom went over to Mimi's.
Huh?
Mom went over to Mimi's.
Okay.
Oh man, that thing stinks. All right, I got them all set back up. I'm gonna leave them in the same place they were. This one here by far has worked the best. It's just an egg with water. Now we've had a lot of storms, so a lot of, you know, they've gotten a lot of water. But overall, this one, for not having to go buy a bait, is working the best. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave them in the same exact places they were to see if it makes a difference, just on whether it's on a certain part of the pasture. And then I think what I'll do on about a week later, I'm gonna try it in the pasture. The only thing I'm worried about is the horses messing with them or something of that nature. But anyway, so this one is just stinks. It really stinks bad. So that I'm assuming that's why it really works best. So I went ahead and just added 1 egg per fly trap, just a little bit of water, stirred it up a little bit, but it obviously works. So anyways, the chicken poo, the horse poo, obviously was a big failure for me, but the egg with water, I'm gonna call it a success, just for the fact that I didn't have to buy any bait for it. Now, it's not like these videos you're seeing where it's just, you know, half full of flies. I don't know what other factors it could be. Could be location, could be the bait, something of that nature. But so anyways, I hope you guys keep following with me. I'm gonna do another video in a week from here and see how far along we've got with these. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with another experiment. I'm gonna put them 1 or 2 in the pasture to see if that helps. And other than that, guys, I hope you found a little bit of information on these fly traps. You know, they're not very expensive, so I can't complain about that. They're only like $14 or something of that nature for 3 of them, and you know, we blow $14 in a day on other things. Something, this one here is reusable. So we'll keep trying different experiments. Now guys, if y'all have a bait that you know that works, that doesn't cost money, that's the thing, that doesn't cost money, leave it in the comment. Let us know, not just for myself but for other people searching these videos out. But we're going to continue on with this rotten egg smell. It's working, just not as good as I would like it. 1 fly caught better than 0 flies caught. Anyways, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next video.